Hi there, students. A hoodlum. A hoodlum. Okay, this is actually an American word, but the Brits will understand it as well. It means a gangster, a thug, a rough or violent person. Yeah, so there were several hoodlums doing some rather dirty business in a back alley. Yeah, or a gang of hoodlums were walking around the city looking for problems. Yeah, lawless young people. Yeah, or just a thug. Yeah, the Americans would say a hood. Yeah, a toughie, some sort of goon. Yeah, or maybe a thug or a hooligan. Yeah, a delinquent. Yeah, so in many of these American films, you will see there are various hoodlums that support the gangster. Yeah, don't trust the people in this place. This area is full of hoodlums. A hoodlum is somebody who's violent, particularly somebody who's a member of a gang, a member of a group of criminals. Yeah. Okay, so effectively a criminal. Yeah, a criminal who's a member of a group. So the newspapers had all sorts of articles about a group of hoodlums who had been robbing shops and petrol stations. Yeah, it's a person who is who they commit crime and violence. Yeah, so racketeers, they are vandals, thugs, and hooligans. Okay, so a hoodlum. I quite like this. Hoodlum smashed the plate glass window of the jewelers and grabbed everything that that was in the window. I sometimes wonder if our politicians are not just a group of hoodlums. Yeah, a group of criminals. Yeah. Okay, so a hoodlum, notice it's accountable noun, a violent criminal. I think a thug. Yeah, I guess you could have hoodlumism. Yeah, the noun for the quality. Yeah, violence and crime and violence. But a gangster is effectively is a hoodlum. Yeah, it's somebody who's engaged in crime, particularly violent crime and things like that. Notice this word's probably a little bit old-fashioned. Although I think you could certainly still use it. I think I'm actually going to give it a 5 informality, maybe 4.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Something very formal, that's why I reduced it to 4.5. I'm not sure something very formal it would work. Okay, and then as to origin, well, I think apparently the first time it appeared in print was in an article in a Californian, I don't know if it was a newspaper or a magazine, the Hoodlum Gang of Juvenile Thieves. Yeah, maybe it comes from Bavarian, Handlump, a ragamuffin. There's also an idea that Hoodlum, huddled together, but a gang of street hoodlums. Okay, so yeah, a hoodlum, a gang of hoodlums, a gang of criminals, a gang of thugs. Yeah, some hoodlums broke into the house and stole everything he had. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A hoodlum.